Active Directory Theory. Active Directory consists of several components, with the most important being the domain controller, or DC. The domain controller is the hub and core of Active Directory because it stores all information about how the specific instance of Active Directory is configured. It also enforces various sets of rules that govern how objects within the domain interact with each other and what services and tools are available to end users. When an instance of Active Directory is configured, a domain is created with a name such as corp.com, where corp is the name of the organization. Within this domain, we can add various types of objects, including computer and user objects. System administrators usually organize these objects with the help of organizational units, or OUs, which are comparable to file system folders in that they are containers used to store and group other objects. Computer objects represent actual servers and workstations that are part of the domain, also referred to as domain joined. And user objects represent employees in the organization. All AD objects contain attributes, which vary according to the type of object. For example, a user object may include attributes such as first name, last name, username, and password. Typically, client computers on an internal network are connected to the domain controller and to various other internal member servers, such as database servers, file storage servers, and so forth. In addition, many organizations have internet-connected web servers, which sometimes are also members of the internal domain. Active Directory can be intimidating, as it includes many concepts and features that we can't fully cover. Instead, we'll introduce basic AD terms and language and provide you with additional knowledge required to perform enumeration and exploitation.